Ideal replacement. This oil pressure sensor directly replaces the original sensor on specified vehicles and applications. Durable construction. This sensor is specifically designed to withstand pressure and temperature extremes for reliable performance and accurate measurement. Cost-effective solution. Offers original equipment fit and function at a competitive price. Trustworthy quality, backed by a team of designers and engineers in the United States. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This replacement oil pressure sensor is a direct replacement for the original sensor on specified applications. It is ruggedly designed and built to withstand required operating pressures and temperatures for reliable performance. Top reviews from the United States. It does fit. Was looking for the AC Delco replacement but it wasn't available at the time. According to Amazon, this Dorman part did not fit my 2011 Silverado. After reading other reviews, I found that someone had posted that it did in fact fit my vehicle. To be sure, I cross-referenced the number with AutoZone and found it was actually the correct part. Amazon needs to correct this on their site. It is in a tricky area on my vehicle, but a good friend of mine was able to replace it. When I started the truck up, it was still reading 0 oil pressure. After thinking about it, I realized that the truck had stored trouble codes. We erased the codes and restarted the truck, and the gauge began reading the oil pressure again immediately. The Dorman replacement part works perfectly.